Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello. Hey guys, so we got these boats out of the box. I got two different brands here. As you guys follow my channel, you know that usually in the summertime I get a new boat or two. Last summer was a JJRC boat that's much bigger in size, and I got that Wave Rider surfer board dude guy. That was a lot of fun. We took those out to like these ones. Just off the hop, these are 1/47 scale. That's a piece of styrofoam there. And these are meant for pool and things that with not choppy water. They claim they go 15 kilometers an hour. I'm going to get these in my friend's pool, but I thought I'd show you guys first. We got two different brands, but I think there's 4 types of boats in general that have been released. This one is the H118. I'm not sure of the parent company. This one is from JJRC. That's the Baby Shark. Each came with their own little documentation. Nothing really much in there. They both have identical radios. Inside, the internals are the same. I'll just give you a peek right here. I took the battery out. It has a 1-cell 15C rated LiPo, like an AA size, 650 milliamp hours, and it has a JJRC sticker on it. Mini low C connector. Over here, even though there's a rudder that's fixed, it's going to turn the boat by slowing one prop down and one going full speed, and that will turn like that. So definitely pool type of stuff. I think though these will be a lot of fun. These come in at a great price point. Of course, check the notes. The radios are identical, so I already written their names on them on the bottom in a silver Sharpie. The radio itself is 2.4 gigahertz, takes 2 AA batteries, as you can see there, and it's just a left or right, and just forward, and I'm not sure if it goes back. I'm pretty sure it does. Just an on-off button. So simple functions, but a lot of fun. We're going to an in-ground pool. We're going to give these things a go. 15 kilometers an hour. We'll see how fast it seems in the pool, but just for appearance, I think they both look really great. My personal preference is I think I like the look of this boat the best. I do still really like this boat. And we'll see. Here's the wife checking in on me. So I'm looking forward to getting these going in the pool. We'll see how fast they go. I'm really looking forward to it. So let's cut to that footage and let's get it going. Thanks for Banggood again for sending these boats. Let's give them a try. Hey guys, Mike here. We're poolside. We're at my friend's house. We're going to run the Baby Shark and the H118 very soon. Let's get these boats in the water. Okay guys, I got my buddy Frank here. Thanks Frank for letting us come by and borrow your pool for this video. My son's down here. Frank has the black boat, which is the H118, and my son has the Baby Shark, the blue and white. So we'll get some footage of these boats running. We'll see how they do. They're perfect for this size of pool. They don't go too quick. I just threw in my other boat here and it was way too fast. I could hardly turn it because it was hitting the walls. So let's get the show on the road. have it, guys. The boats, they're quite fun. They're perfect size for this pool. Maybe a tad a little slower than we could have a little quicker boats in here, but I think overall they're fun. Just note that it's not proportional steering or throttle. It's just click and go, front or back, and left or right or center. So, but really in all things you don't really need too much more than that for these things. I think they're best run together. You can have some fun, and you could probably get some tennis balls and put some strings on them and some weights and set up a little course. That would make it a lot of fun to race these in a pool. So guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thanks again to Mr. Frank, who's got the hard job of driving the boats and letting us come over, and we'll drink his beer next. Little man, what do you say?
Bye.
Having a lot of fun?
Have a lot of fun.
All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Peace out.